This has become my favorite case for the Nintendo Switch 2. It's by Hori. It's called the Puff Pouch. You'll see the kind of sleeve that it comes in, and it's kind of zip tied in there. I got mine off of Amazon, and I will mention it is officially licensed by Nintendo. You'll notice on the back side, it just talks a little bit about the case. It is designed for the Nintendo Switch 2, but it's also going to work on your Switch 1, OLED, and whatnot, no problem. It also has a game card pocket on it that'll hold up to 6 game cards. And back to that point I made earlier, it is compatible with the Nintendo Switch 2, the OLED, the Switch Lite, and the Switch itself. So that's what we're talking about from a compatibility standpoint. Now, the reason why I like this case is because it's relatively slim, depending on how much you put inside of it. Make no mistake, this is a soft case, but I kind of got caught in the whole hoopla of I need a hard case, but you know what? There's no really reason for me needing a hard case. I'm not sitting on the case. I'm not crushing it. If I throw it in a bag, I'm being careful with it. So I decided, you know what? I'm going to go a little bit slimmer, definitely more lightweight and more portable for my use case with this puff pouch. And it still has protective qualities built into it. Now, before I show it to you up close, I picked it up in black. It's going to run you about $29.99. I got it off of Amazon, so I'll link to it in the description down below. Target sells some variants of this case. I think there's like a cottage version that has Eevee from Pokemon in it. They also have like this greenish blue color of it. But I did like the more traditional black color, and you'll see you've got some Nintendo Switch 2 branding there, Hori branding there. Otherwise, it's really this almost like a, I don't know if quilted is the right word to use, but you can see what that looks like all along the bottom, along the back, and then the zippers close up really nice and provide a great seal there. 2 areas to hold this from. There is a handle right here that you can carry it like that, or like more grab style right there. And these are attached. So you'll notice that, see the loop there? If I pull up, it kind of cinches it in because it's the same sort of thing here. Now, as we open this up, let me go ahead and pull everything out of here. I'll talk about how I'm personally using this, but you can actually fit a lot of things in this case. And of course, the more you put in it, the bulkier it's going to get. But let me show you everything about this. So we've got a mesh pocket here, so you can store things right in there. There is very thin padding on this side. There is a little tag here that says Nintendo Switch 2. And then as I flip it around this way, we've got some elastic areas right in here that are going to hold 6 game cards. I prefer not to really use that because I carry around with me a game card case like this. So I store it in here. And then where you can put your Switch 2 is right in this pouch here. Notice, see that outline here and all the way down? This is a dense, thicker foam that exists here, as well as, you'll see the outline here, and it goes all the way down right here. So that's going to do a great job of keeping your Switch 2 protected. And of course, in this main area, you can put all kinds of things. You can fit a Pro controller, you can put your cable as well as your AC adapter. I mean, there's a lot that you can pack into this. But what I do typically is I just put my Switch back in like this. I face it towards the inside for extra protection so it doesn't face the outside. And then you just Velcro this down. I'm also storing a game card case in here, a couple of microfiber wipes, and then my favorite grips for the Switch 2 by Mistaforge, which I've done on this channel. You can look up that video and see all about it. Now, the reason why I removed these is you can fit this in here with the grips on, but it's a bit tight. So these are so easy to take on and off. I mean, it takes less than 5 seconds to do that I just take them off when I'm not using it, pop it on when I am. And then when you're done, you just zip it up. It's got dual zippers, and away you go. So it's my new favorite. Yeah, it doesn't provide a ton of protection, but I don't really need that. I'm not sitting on my Switch 2 case or doing anything dramatic that requires that extra level of bulk and protection. And I find that this is just a lot more comfortable to travel with and carry around. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Again, this is the Switch 2 Puff Pouch by Hori. Hey, thanks for watching the video. Certainly appreciate it. Take care, everybody, and have fun.